In this video, we're going to learn how to combine different fields in an expression so that we can have greater control over processing information. Here we've got a really basic workflow, and we're going to add an if note at the end. And what we want to do is we're going to, first of all, run this workflow so we can see what data we have in the previous nodes coming to us. And it looks like this. Here we've got some really nice JSON with a few different fields and values. And here we've got our field, which is an expression. So what we can do is drag and drop elements from the left and say row number. So we're going to grab row number up here, and we can add text into here. We can modify this. We can put brackets around it. I'm going to put a hyphen, and then I'm going to put the value next. And so it's going to concatenate those things, which means combine them into a single result. You can see the result in green down below here. It's for the first result, it is 2-23. So we've now created our own new piece of data or information by combining elements that are coming into us. And so what we're going to do is do a comparison, and it will need to be a string comparison. And we're going to say if it is equal to 2-23, then we will have the true branch that says we're going to process this row differently to everything else. And if it's not, then it will go and do other things. So let's just execute that quickly. And you can see on the right-hand side that the first result has passed this criteria, 2-23. It's passed that first row of the array out, and it's continuing. And the false branch has two items. So the second two values in our array don't meet that criteria of 2-23, they're going to be ignored. So now we've managed to combine two separate fields into our expression to create a whole new piece of information. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.